Hi everyone, let us learn today the new topic surface area of a sphere. Sphere is a 3D shape. Ball is very good example of a sphere. It has only one surface, that is curved surface. Let us learn how to find the surface area of a sphere through an activity. Let us take one plastic ball or rubber ball, measure the diameter of the sphere ball, draw 4 circles on the plain paper sheet like this way. Then drive a nail in the ball this way, and with by taking support of the nail, wind the string along the ball so that this ball will be completely covered like this way. Then unwind this thread and you make 4 equal parts of this total length of the string Then each string you have to stick in each circle. You will notice that through each string this circle is completely covered, and each circle will look like this way, which diameter will be equal to the diameter of a sphere. You know that by this thread we made 4 equal circles, and we know that each area of each circle will be pi r square. So it will prove that the total or surface area of a sphere will be equal to 4 times pi r square, 4 times area of a circle. So we will get the formula, the total surface area of sphere will be 4 times area of one circle, means pi r square. So 4 pi r square will be the surface area of a sphere. Now let us talk about the hemisphere. Hemisphere is this way, where in the hemisphere there will be 2 surfaces. Let us see this guava. It look like a sphere. Suppose we will cut exactly from the middle. So each piece will be like this way. This is called co-surface area of a sphere, which area will be equal to half of a sphere, area of a sphere. Why? Because earlier it was sphere which area was 4 pi r square. Now we cut we cut in this sphere into 2 equal parts. So each of this curved surface area of each part will be 2 times pi r square. So curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 times pi r square. And if you want to find the total surface area of hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere, so it will be 2 times pi r square plus 1 time pi r square. It will be 3 times pi r square. So this will be curved surface area of a hemisphere. This is the formula for the total surface area of a hemisphere. Let us solve one example. If radius of a sphere is 7 cm is given, and we have to find the surface area of a sphere. So surface area of sphere equal to, we know, 4 pi r square. So you can put here value 4 into pi will be 22 upon 7 into r will be 7. So it is square, so 7 into 7. So 1 7 will be cancelled. 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8 into 7. 7 8 is 56, 6 carry over 5. 7 8 is 56 plus 5 is 61. centimeter square. This will be surface area of a sphere. Let us take one more example for the finding the curved surface area and total surface area of a hemisphere. So, if suppose radius of a hemisphere is given 21 centimeter, you know the curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 times pi r square. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into this is 21 into 21. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. We can multiply. It will be 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12 to carry over 1. 6 2 is 12 plus 1 13. 132. 132 into 21, whatever product we will get, that will be in the centimeter square, that will be the curved surface area of a hemisphere. Similarly, if you want to find the total surface area of a hemisphere, so it will be 3 pi r square, which means 3 into 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. So 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. Whatever product will get, that will be total surface area of a hemisphere.